Sa video na to, gusto ko pag-usapan ano ang iyong dapat gawin pag yung stock mo ay umakyat. Kailangan mo na ba magbenta pag mataas na yung kinita mo? Kung gusto mo malaman kung dapat mong ibenta yung stock mo ngayon, itong video na to ay para sa'yo. Panoorin mo. Hi everyone! So, ginagawa ko itong video na to at a time where the Philippine Stock Exchange Index has gone up. Kung naalala nyo lang, film natin to November 2020 and just a few months ago, around March 2020, nakita natin yung index bumagsak ng sobrang laki. We saw it drop to around 4,500. Then intraday, mas mababa pa doon. Tapos nakita natin yung mga malalaking companies, yung mga blue chip stocks, sobrang laki din yung binagsak. Yung Ayala Land, bumagsak halos intraday, halos below 20 plus. Nakita natin yung GT Capital, sobrang laki ng binagsak. Yung SM, yung Ayala Corp, yung Jollibee, halos nag 90 plus siya. Pero ngayon, fast forward to where we are right now, halos 7 to 8 months already since the time nagsimula yung lockdown, since the time also na malaking binagsak yung market. Majority sa mga stocks na yun na sobrang ganda ng fundamentals, sobrang laki, yung mga stocks na medyo binibili ng institutions, sila na ngayon yung malaki yung inakyat. Ngayon, majority of you, katulad ng mga nakukuha kong mga messages, natutuwa ako na malaki na yung kinita nyo, nakita nyo na yung mga stocks nyo, sobrang laki ng inakyat. Ngayon, yung biggest dilemma naman ng mga tao na bumili nung mababa, tapos kumikita na sila ngayon, kumikita sila ng malaki, ay kung ano dapat gawin. Kailangan ko na ba ibenta yung stock ko or kailangan ko pa siyang hawakan and to maximize my gains? And this is a very, very good situation to be in kasi mas maganda also na pinag-isipan mo kung dapat ba kumita ka ngayon, benta mo na, or dapat hawakan mo pa para mas kumita pa na mas malaki lalo. Sa mga hindi pa nag-i-invest sa stock market or sa medyo bago pa lang sa stock market, please do remember this. Pag binili nyo yung stock nyo, tapos umakyat siya, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100%. It does not matter gaano kalaki inakyat nun. Hanggat hindi nyo pa siya binibenta, hindi ka pa kumikita ng pera. Kung pinag-usapan natin dati na pag bumagsak yung stock, tapos hindi mo binenta, meron ka lang paper loss, hindi mo pa talaga nararanasan yung pagkatalo kasi hindi mo pa binibenta yung stock mo ng palugi. In the same way, ganun din pag malaki inakyat niya. Hindi mo pa mararanasan yung kita until you actually sell it. So, yun yung pinakamalaking dilemma no, when it comes to investing. A lot of people think na, oh, umakyat na ako 10%, benta na ako. A lot of people think na, hindi, hintayin ko muna mag 20%, benta na ako. Or, hala, doble na yung pera ko, ibenta ko na yung stock ko. So, yun yung gusto kong sagutin sa video na to. And maraming salamat sa mga nagpadala ng questions via Instagram. Hindi ko na mababanggit lahat ng mga nagtanong about kung dapat ko na ba ibenta yung stock na hawak ko. Pero gusto ko simulan yung video na to sa punto na to. Unang-una, pagbagsak yung market, yung pinakamalaking emosyon is fear. Yung pinakamalaking emosyon is lahat ng tao natatakot na baka bumagsak lalo yung stock. Pag up naman yung stocks nyo, yung pinakamalaking emotion ay either masyado kayo nagiging excited, or masyado kayo nagiging greedy, or masyado kayo nagiging optimistic. Ano yung sabihin nun? Greedy in a sense na alam nyo dapat ibenta nyo na, pero umaasa pa kayo na baka umakyat siya, or baka nagiging greedy kayo na baka kumita pa kayo na hindi nyo pa siya binibenta. Or in a way, you become too optimistic thinking na, hindi, aakyat pa to kasi things are getting better already kaya hindi ko muna siya bibenta. That's being too optimistic as well. Or also, yung temptation na bumili ako ng mababa umaakyat pa siya, dagdagan ko kaya yung position ko. We become so emotional that sometimes kahit alam natin deep inside hindi na dapat bumili or dapat ibenta na natin, we become so irrational and follow our emotions. So, etong una kong gusto sabihin, please, do not rely on your emotions at this point in time. Please, take a pause. Kung kailangan yung hindi mag-log in muna sa browser nyo para hindi kayo matempt magbenta, wag muna kayo magbenta. Kasi naranasan ko yan, yung alam mo yung umaakyat yung stock mo, yung login ka ng login, punta sa portfolio mo, pagka-enter mo ng username mo, tsaka password mo, automatic di mo na tinitignan yung mga ibang items, diretso ka agad portfolio, tas refresh ka ng refresh to see kung gaano kalaki yung kinita mo Pero kung pinapanood nyo yung mga videos ko, kahit bumagsak yung market, please remember, the money is never about in the monitoring. Wala yung pagkita nyo sa stock nyo sa ilang beses mo rin-refresh yung stock mo Ganun din, pag umaakyat yung market, pag bullish yung market, when things are well, the more times you log in, the more you become emotional pagdating sa stocks ninyo So kung hindi nyo kailangan mag-log in, please, wag na kayo mag-log in. Kung hindi nyo naman kailangan magbenta pa, wag na kayo mag-log in. Pwede nyo naman i-check yung stock, yung presyo ng stock nyo using other websites na hindi sa broker niyo. Pwede nyo naman i-check also yung stocks nyo using other platforms na wala naman dun yung account niyo. So very important to not be tempted. Try as much as possible to take a break dun. So kung kailangan nyo na huminga ng malalim, that works also, especially pag nasa kagitnaan na nun, yung first few minutes pag nag-open yung market, sobrang daming volatility nun, pati sa last part ng market, dun nagkakaroon, tulad nung the day prior to this, dun nagkaroon ng large surge also of buying, kaya umakyat yung market. Now, no one has a crystal ball, na habang ginagawa ko tong video na to, we don't know also that kung aakyat yung market bukas, or kung bumagsak man siya ngayon, or aakyat man siya the next few days, or if it will go higher and higher and higher and higher again, or kung tuloy man siyang aakyat, no one knows eh. No one has a crystal ball kung aakyat man yung market o hindi. No one has a crystal ball if the market will continually go up, or ito na yung pinakamataas na makikita natin sa pag-akyat ng market over 2020. No one knows that. No one knows. But what's the most important sa lahat ng sinasabi ko dito, wala siya sa stock na binili nyo. It's more about ano yung mga rules nyo, ano yung mga parameters nyo kung bakit mo binili yun. And in the same way, kung ano yung mga rules nyo, ano yung mga parameters nyo, kung bakit mo siya ibibenta later on. Kasi bakit? Kailangan na define nyo na, guys, very important. I know it's easy to become emotional right now when the market is up. It's easy to be tempted to sell. Napagdaanan ko lahat yan. I've been investing in the market for over a decade now, and it's easy to be so tempted pag nakita mo yung stock mo na 40% na eh, 30% na eh, 20% na eh, 60% na eh. Pero na baka maging bato pa. Yung pinaghirapan ko, yung ina-analyze ko na mabuti, baka mawala pa siya. Sayang naman. Pero, never, ever sell until your parameters, your strategy, your sell signals will come out. It does not matter kung kumita na kayo ng 40%. It does not matter kung kumita na kayo ng 100%. It does not matter kung kumita na kayo ng 20%. It's all about the plan. It's all about ano yung strategy nyo kung kailan kayo magbibenta. And it does not matter kung fundamentalist ka, or technical analyst ka, or investor ka, or dividend player ka. It does not matter. Kaya lagi kong sinasabi sa mga video ko, huwag nyo lang panoorin yung mga stocks na pinag-uusapan. Get the principle behind it. Because you need to define, are you a person na magbibenta kasi natamaan na yung resistance? Na nag-drawing kayo ng resistance nyo, na natamaan niya, nabasag niya? Kasi kung di pa nabasag yung resistance, kahit up kayo ng 50%, wala pa siya dun sa resistance sa plinat nyo, hold. It does not matter. Kung up kayo ng 25%, hindi pa niya natamaan yung resistance, huwag kayo magbenta. Hold your position. Alam ko madaming mga styles pa na pwedeng gamitin. Kung moving average gamit nyo, it doesn't matter kung EMA yan, SMA yan, doesn't matter kung 20, 50, 100, 200 day moving average gamit nyo, or 21 day moving average yung gamit nyo. It does not matter what you use. Until mag-cross down yung candlestick dun sa moving average, hindi nyo kailangan magbenta. Uulitin ko, balikan nyo yung chart na pinaparoon nyo, balikan nyo yung chart na in-analyze nyo. Kung nag-breakout pa siya dun, kahit up siya or kahit nag-red candle siya, kung hindi pa niya napipierce yung moving average pababa, you don't have to sell. Or if you are a person na gamit nyo yung cross up ng moving average, cross up, cross down, shorter moving average to longer moving average, shorter moving average crossing down to longer moving average, until mag-cross yon, it does not matter. Have the patience to wait. Have the patience not to log in. Kung hindi pa siya nagko-cross down, hold. Uulitin ko, hold. Check the videos that I posted in my second channel. I posted over 20 stocks right there. Look at them. If there are no sell signals yet, hold. Follow your plan. Ganun din kung gamit mo MACD, no? Kung nag-above zero siya, tapos hindi pa siya bumababa sa zero line crossing, hindi pa siya bumababa doon, huwag mo muna ibenta. Ganun din kung gamit mo yung cross up or cross down. Kung hindi pa siya nagko-cross down, huwag mo muna ibenta. Comment below, huwag mo muna ibenta. Never sell just because natatakot kayo mawalan ng kita. Kasi you will never get it right all the time. You will never get it perfect all the time. Kung kumita man kayo ng mas malaki pero hindi nyo sinunod yung plano nyo, it does not build confidence. It does not build skill. The next time na gagawin nyo yun, next time nakikita kayo, you will doubt yourself. The next time na kumita kayo, you will second guess yourself kasi hindi nyo na-develop yung sistema, hindi nyo na-develop yung plano, hindi nyo na-develop yung ability. And if there's one thing na paulit-ulit ko sinasabi dito sa channel natin, it's never about making money. Don't focus kung gaano kalaki yung kikitain nyo muna. Focus on paano mo madidevelop yung strategy nyo, paano madidevelop yung sistema nyo. Kasi yung mga pag-akyat ito ng market, this will happen over and over in your lifetime eh. And majority ng nanonood sa channel ko, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, we may think na matanda na tayo, but guess what? Kung 35 years old ka, tas mag-invest ka sa market for 40 years. What is 1 year, 2 years to develop that skill? You don't have to get rich quick in 2020. It does not matter. 2020 won't matter if you build the skill massively right now. Then by the time you get older, alam mo na yung gagawin mo eh. I'd rather that kahit mas konti yung kinita nyo ngayon, mas hindi masyado malaki yung kinita nyo, pero nag-gain nyo na kung ano yung routine nyo, nag-gain nyo na kung ano yung gagamitin nyo. Ano ba, 20-day moving average na ba gagamitin ko? Or do I have to put Bollinger Bands also to add further conviction? Yun ang mas importante. Above and beyond kung magbibenta ba kayo o hindi, a greater question is, natamaan na ba yung sell signal ko? Kasi kung hindi pa natamaan yung sell signal mo, pwedeng ang PE ratio yan eh, pwedeng ang valuations yan eh, pwedeng ang, above na siya sa fair value niya ngayon eh. It can be all of those things eh. If those things are not yet satisfied and magbibenta lang kayo kasi natatakot kayo mawalan ng kita, or magbibenta lang kayo kasi natatakot kayo kasi baka bumaba, guess what? Bababa at bababa yung stock eh. Wala pa tayong nakitang stock na umakyat dire-diretso forever na hindi bumagsak. Bababa at bababa yan. So, don't be scared na hindi mo siya mabenta sa peak. Because no one ever consistently does selling at the peak. Kung may isang tao na sasabi na bibenta niya lagi sa peak, that's a lie. If there's a person that would always say gain siya lagi, that's a lie. It does not happen. Following your rules. Try to sell following your plan. Because at the end of the day, that's what matters the most. And I'm sharing this kasi majority ng mga mali ko, especially nung nag-start ako. And I'm not saying I'm playing a perfect game right now. Nagkakamali pa rin ako. No one in the market will ever not make a mistake. Magkakamali tayo eh. We might be selling also na hindi tayo nagkakat kagad or late tayo, napahold tayo na mas matagal. Pero napansin ko sa akin majority ng mga mali ko is binenta ko kagad kasi naging emotional ako. Binenta ko kagad kasi kala ko bababa na siya. Binenta ko kagad kasi kinabahan ako eh. And the reason why I keep doing these videos, I'm filming these videos madaling araw kasi I just really want to share to you. Kahit pagod na ako, I've been through so many meetings also throughout the day, but I really feel the need for Filipinos to be educated the right way, to be educated in the proper rudiments. And yung mga pinag-usapan natin dito, hindi to madaling gawin eh. Learning the rudiments of kung ano gagamitin mo, paano ka magbenta, na hindi ka magre-rely sa sinabi ng kaibigan mo, na hindi ka magre-rely kung ano nadinig mo, kung hindi ka nagre-rely sa kung ano ng bagay, mahirap yun eh. Pero it's the hard things in life that will make you rich eh. It's the hard things in life that will make wealth sustainable eh. It's the hard things in life that will allow you to stand on your 2 feet when everyone else is scared eh. You have to remember, the stock market is all about conviction. And kahit ako making my share of mistakes, I'd rather make my mistakes following my plan, following my conviction, following my strategy, than make money without me having a strategy. Because at the end of the day, it's your strategy that will help you make money. And paulit-ulit ko tong sinasabi kasi you need to hammer this down. Comment below, hammer this down. You need to build your strategy. You need to build it. I hope this video made sense, no? And sa lahat ng tao na nagpa-follow, halos 170,000 subscribers na tayo sa channel na to. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe and patuloy ako gagawa ng mga videos para sa inyo kasi yung heart and goal ko is naniniwala ako that the stock market is one of the best asset classes out there kung pinag-aralan na mabuti. Kung hindi siya inisip na get rich quick scheme siya, if you try to build the skill to be able to do it, and if you do it the right way, it can be done eh. That you can use the stock market to help you reach your dreams of financial freedom. That it's not as hard as what people think it is. And I will devote the prime years of my life to help more and more Filipinos, to help you do it, to help you invest, to help you deploy capital properly, to help you have the right mindset na hindi mo kailangan mag-compare sa ibang tao. Stop comparing yourself with your friends. Stop comparing what you earn with other people. It does not matter. What matters is you are following your own race. What matters is you are running your own race. What matters is the reason why you are investing in the stock market is hindi para i-compare yung sarili mo sa ibang tao. The reason why you're investing sa stock market kasi may pangarap ka. The reason why you're investing sa stock market kasi alam mo, pag sinunod mo tong plano na to, it will bring you closer and closer and closer to reach your goals. It does not matter if it's business. It does not matter if it's retirement. It does not matter if it's a child's education. But what matters is you invest. Because the more you invest and deploy capital today, the bigger your chance to have money in the ground. Nung March, pinag-usapan natin, we kept saying it's better to put your money in the ground, deploy capital, kahit may risk. Kasi I'd rather have the risk na mawala pera ko kesa igastos ko yung pera ko sa ibang bagay that it does not matter. And natutuwa ako for people who deployed capital when there was risk. Natutuwa ako for people who deployed capital when it was scary. Now I'm happy for people who are reaping the benefits of it. I know the people who are following this, you are in the prime working years of your life. So gamitin nyo kung anong lakas ninyo, gamitin nyo kung anong meron kayo na pwede nyo ilagay, invest nyo, matuto kayo, keep on learning. I hope madami kayo natutunan sa video na to. At kung may questions naman kayo, lagay nyo lang sa comment section and I'll try to answer it off a new video. Sa mga nagtatanong, asan yung mga charts na yun, lalagay ko sa description below. May pinag-usapan tayo 20 charts kahapon lang, top stocks that you guys requested. Pinag-usapan ko rin doon kung ano yung dahilan kung bakit umakyat yung market the past few days. What was the main reason for it? It's in the description below as well. At kung gusto nyo pa matuto, we have books also down below. We have other playlists in YouTube that will help you learn to trade the markets using technical and fundamental analysis. So yun lang, that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon guys. Pero dahil Tagalog na video to, mga lakal na mabuti, mga lakal na malakas, at mga lakal na matalino. See you all again soon. God bless you all.